feeling of getting into Sundance is incredible.
I really prepared myself not to get into Sundance this time.
When we finally touched down, it was like, oh wow, this is really happening.
It's the dream.
We all now have the tools to make films. There's much less of a barrier than there used to be.
There's nothing stopping us from creating.
Wow.
The ability to have multiple Adobe applications open at once and be doing things and have them sync is very crucial.
It makes the streamline process very easy. You don't have to worry about jumping in and out of programs.
Adobe products do make my life easier. It's just a sure shot every time. It's consistent. All I need is Premiere Pro and coffee.
I'm a Premiere Pro enthusiast. I can just shut off my left brain and it does what I want it to do. Editing is like playing with the world's greatest video game.
Premiere Pro really just fit this project to be able to file share really easily with Stacy so we could share cuts back and forth.
Scare me.
I've had 6 films in the festival, all of them been cut on Premiere Pro.
We edited a large portion of the film in 2 different places, screen sharing my Premiere project file, and then we quickly realized that this was a great backup if the 2 of us couldn't be in the same room.
We cut the film across coasts. I was in New York and Alex and Eleanor were in LA. I was able to stream my Premiere timeline over to them, and that allowed us to essentially be in the same room together.
Working remotely and with the team in Russia, with the graphics team, the relationship, you get closer because you have to communicate more to get what you want.
Action.
Filmmaking in general has changed over the last decade, and what Premiere Pro does is it allows anybody to come in and make the movies they want to make. It's for everybody.
Thank you.